Today you're going to be embarking upon a collision lab, where you're looking at what happened before and after a collision. Specifically, you'll be measuring the mass and velocity of a vehicle before and after the collision, and you're going to try and look, is there a relationship between these two things? You're going to be using the tracker program today to analyze the motion of the carts. You'll be given a series of 8 videos like this one. In this video, you will know certain information about the carts. For example, this is the same kind of Pascal cart that we always use, and we would know the length of this cart. It also will say it in the file name of the video. And so, when you play the video, you will see the carts interacting. One cart sits there, the next cart comes in and hits the first cart. Your task then will be to record the mass and velocity initial of the cart, the mass and velocity initial of cart 2. So again, you have 2 carts, cart 1 and cart 2, and that's all before the crash. Then you're going to run the video. Then you're going to run the video and record the mass and velocity of cart 1 after the crash and the mass and velocity of cart 2 after the crash. You'll record this data in some sort of table, so again, you want to be able to compare the mass and velocity of each cart before and after the crash and see if you can find some sort of relationship between the two. The instructions for how to use Tracker with this particular lab are on Moodle. The video files you need to use can either be downloaded from the Moodle page or from the student shared folder under Physics H. You should save the videos and the tracker files in your student folder. You should work in groups of 2 or 1 during the lab. There are 18 computers, which means each of you should be able to work in a group of 2 or 1, so all of you are using the computers. You need to somehow record this data, preferably in electronic format, in some sort of table, so that we can analyze it afterwards. Remember, we'll be working on this lab Thursday, Friday, and possibly Monday, so make sure you have the data and the tracker files saved somewhere in your student folder so they can be accessed in case you are absent.